Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need basic gear, the original charger and a minute of focused troubleshooting. First, plug in the charger to the Chromebook and wall outlet. Make sure the outlet works by testing another device. Once done, examine the charger and USB-C or barrel port for bent pins or debris. Compressed air helps. Then, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force a shutdown. Release and watch LEDs. This clears simple firmware hangs, so you know if the system responds to power. If the initial power pulse did nothing, try a hardware reset. You do this by pressing ESC plus refresh, circular arrow, and then power, hold briefly, then release. This resets the embedded controller which manages charging and keyboard behavior, explaining why it often works. If you reach a blank screen, attempt recovery mode. Press ESC plus refresh plus power and follow on-screen prompts. Make sure you have another computer handy to create a USB recovery stick. That lets you reinstall Chrome OS if firmware is corrupted. Now finish with deeper actions. Disconnect power and remove any SD or USB peripherals, then let the Chromebook sit off for an hour to cool and fully discharge capacitors. Reconnect the charger and leave it charging for at least 30 minutes before attempting power on. Sometimes, a deeply drained battery needs time to register. If you can open the device, reseat the internal battery connector. Loose contacts cause no boot issues. If that fails, contact manufacturer support or an authorized repair provider. Remember, professional diagnostics catch failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.